Hello everyone, hope you are doing really well. I'm Zahra, and in this video I want to show you how we can use different features of Poodle on a rich editor on Moodle. As you see, there are 4 features here. One of them is a microphone icon showing that recording in MP3. The other one a video to record video files, and then a drawing tool, and also another icon for taking picture for screenshots. Okay, let's begin with recording my audio. I click on this microphone icon and this window opens. Let's see what it has. Okay, it's got 3 buttons, one for record, one for playing, and another one for uploading. And there is here some settings, a default and communication, and also internal microphone. Well, honestly, I'm not sure I know the differences, so let it be on the default and go to record my audio. Hello everyone, I'm Zahra. I'm recording my audio on Moodle. I'm using Poodle on the Rich editor. Okay, I clicked again on it and you see the green tick. It shows that the recording is okay. I can also cancel it and record again, but it's okay for testing. Let's play it. Hello everyone, I'm Zahra. I'm recording my audio on Moodle. I'm using Poodle on the Rich editor. Good. And now I want to upload it. Let's see it now. It shows the file is uploading successfully. Let's insert it. Okay, now it is shown as this link, but after saving it you will show it as a kind of audio player. Now let's go to see if I can. Oh yeah, that's me. Yes, let's just a little bit record my audio. Hello everyone, I'm Zahra from Moodle MM14. Good. Sorry. And now let's play it. A bit stupid. Hello everyone, I'm Zahra from Moodle MM14. Yeah, that's a bit silly to just say these things in the middle of another video, but let's upload it. It's just for a test, so it's okay, you can laugh at it. Uploading 100% successfully. Good. So let's insert it. Now I've got an MP3 and an MP4 file using Poodle on Rich editor of Moodle. Let's see how this drawing tool works. Here we've got, what's it? After drawing, press save picture. Okay, it changes the pen, and also we've got an eraser. And let's see. Okay. Now I can make it thinner. I can make my pen even thicker. Oops. Let's see if I can change the color. Good. And very good. What's it? Uploading successfully. It's uploading it successfully. I haven't pressed. Okay, it's uploaded successfully. Let's save the picture. I can also undo it. I can also close it, but now let's save the picture. Oh my god, it should be saved. Oh yeah, that's it. Insert it. Let's make it smaller. I don't like this silly picture to be here. Okay. Now I want to use the screenshot. Again, another one picture. Take a picture. Oops, no, I don't like it. Let's cancel it. Let's take another one. Oh yeah, now I upload it. Uploaded successfully. Now I insert it. Good. Another silly picture of mine here. Just using Poodle on the Moodle. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. And I will upload this post in order to show you how I used different items of Poodle on Moodle. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.